To Vogler Ford's online vehicle inventory. This 2015 Ford F-150 has a 2.7-liter V6 EcoBoost engine, automatic transmission, and rear-wheel drive. This XLT Super Crew comes with power windows and locks, CD MP3 stereo, a power sliding rear window, and hands-free Bluetooth technology. The rear-view camera makes parking easy, and you can haul anything with the trailer towing package. Never climb into a cold cab again with the remote start feature, and enter and exit in style with chrome running boards. Take it for a test drive today, and see why the F-150 has been the #1 selling truck for decades.